Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
My name is Kabir Maiga from Shepherd Lock, and I would like to tell you about this cool latest in keyless entry technology product. So Shepherd is basically a home security product that improves the security of your home first and foremost, and it makes it really easy to operate your existing deadbolt. This is a commercial lock that typically you would find on most homes, and what we do once you install Shepherd with just the 2 screws under 5 minutes is when you come home next, all you have to do is touch it and you can lock and unlock your home. You obviously have to have a virtual key, which would live on your smartwatch, a smartphone, or a key fob. Inside the house, you're also able to unlock your home or lock your home with a simple touch. Using our mobile app, you could do, things like unlocking your, front door from your couch, from the beach in Florida, from somewhere in Hawaii. You don't have to be home, you could be anywhere. As long as you have our Wi-Fi bridge, you have remote access, you're able to do all of this stuff. Now, one of the cool things that our product does that no product out there also does is that it brings security to your home. For instance, if your home was locked and somebody tries to break in, whether they try to pick your deadbolt or they try to, bump the key, they try to kick in the door, our product, our technology has 24/7 monitoring using artificial intelligence. It'll detect it and it'll freeze the deadbolt in a locked position. Also, it'll send an alert to the homeowner. Here, I'll just show you if somebody's trying to break into your home. It'll detect it, sounds an alarm to try to scare them off, and it also sends you an alert on your mobile device. The other cool thing that only our product does in the market is knowing when your door's opened or closed without forcing you to install that magnet that typically goes on the door frame. Look at this. Instead of having a magnet on your door frame, our product, fully contained, is able to detect the current location of your door with high precision. This is first to market, patent pending technology that allows you to track your door and know exactly where it's at. So this kind of visibility is, unique to Shepherd Lock. You're also, able to share keys. You can add residents that would have permanent access to your home. You can have guests. That's like a, babysitter, someone who's renting, like an Airbnb, etc. You'll be able to share temporary access with those individuals. You'll be able to know through the activity screen who has come and gone and when. And of course, you can add multiple devices, multiple locks. We do have Wi-Fi bridge key fobs, number pads that come as accessories to go along with the product. Great.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.